On you guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Lair. And in this video, I'll be talking about an anonymous trader that buys $400 million worth of Bitcoin. But before I begin, let me remind you guys that I am giving away $20 worth of Bitcoin tomorrow, and that I'm giving away zero point zero 0.01 Bitcoin when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So let's take a look at the market cap right now. We are at $498 billion market cap, working really close to that 500 mark, which is very good. That's a good sign. Chinese New Year is about to be over, and it will take about, I think, in my opinion, about another week or two to recover the market back to where it was. Bitcoin looking really good right now, looking at 10.5, Ethereum at 963, Ripple at 115. Wow. Price is soaring today. NEO is at 137. A couple videos ago, we saw it at about 110. So definitely a huge bull run right now. And I think what contributes to this is the Ellen show. I don't know if you guys saw that video of Ellen, but she was talking about Bitcoin on her show, and I think that also gave it a little good boost. But let's continue to what this video is about. Anonymous trader buys $400 million in Bitcoin. So let's read the article. Go big or go home. That's the motto of one mysterious investor who puts his chips in the table, buying close to $400 million in the number one digital currency, Bitcoin. The purchase comes as cryptocurrencies are making a comeback after a dreadful start to 2018. Major digital currencies lost as much as 50% to start the year as growing regulations and security fears crippled the market, seeing traders bail on their positions. However, the tide has turned. This is why it's very important to hold during a time like this. Unless you're in the profits, then you can sell. But if you're losing money, it is best to hold. And this is one of the reasons why right here. This is a perfect example. The price of Bitcoin has increased more than 60% since trading under 6,000 February 6th, pushing back above the $1,000 mark or $10,000 mark, helped by signs of growing recognition of digital currencies from officials in Washington. So after all that good news, after the regulators are letting crypto go, and the fact that Arizona might be letting Bitcoin pay taxes using Bitcoin is a really big deal. And this is why crypto is going to be very big in the future. Not sure who that big buyer was, but many thought this dip have added since rebound and additional regularity clarity in the US and Asia. Alex Sonnerberg, founding partner of Tetris Capital, said. The unknown trader with the Bitcoin address purchased the coins between February 9th and February 12th, taking his Bitcoin balance from 55,000 coins to about 96. Wow. That's a lot of Bitcoin. Let's take a look at his wallet real quick here by going to blockchain. Searching in the address. So if this was actually someone doing it, they have about 105,850 Bitcoins. That's a lot of Bitcoins. And that's equivalent to about more than $1 billion. That's a lot of money, guys. You gotta understand, that's a ton of money. Let's see their transactions. So they're saying, yeah, they're talking about right here, he was accumulating here. Wonder who that is. It might be a institutional, it might be someone, we don't know. And that's the whole point of blockchain or Bitcoin, is you're not supposed to know. The transaction, which blasted all over social media and online chat forums, emboldened bulls who had argued that 6,000 was a bottom. In the meantime, the 400 million whale is fuel for Telegram channels where traders lay out their conspiracy theories, said Jeff Cohen, president of 360 Blockchain USA. However, I'm willing to believe that seeing Bitcoin bottom around 6,000, Wall Street smelled blood and jumped back in, he said. With Bitcoin back above 10,000, the owner of Dress is closing in on the Bitcoin Billionaires Club. Yep, definitely a billionaire. He has about $1.1 billion worth of Bitcoin right now, and that's a lot of money. That ain't no joke, $1 billion. Like, only very few people even make that mark. So hopefully in the coming days there's gonna be more information on this, but let's see what people have been saying. It will eventually be revealed that one Wall Street is in on that scam, and these two traders are probably bogus and not real in some fashion. It's a giant deception. That could be true too, you know, like that could. I mean, that's what I'm saying. It could not be. It could be that one person not do it, but an institution like a bank or something, you know. It's a real simple IMO. Here's the score and why Bitcoin's the next big thing. By the way, the iPhone was the last big thing. What's the establishment want and believe? The establishment wants to preserve the anti-Bitcoin status quo led by Wall Street and central bankers, right? I don't know what that guy's got to say. I ain't really trying to read that. But it's very nice seeing Bitcoin or the market cap heading back up to the $500 billion market cap. Like like I would not expect that to happen this early. I was expecting it to be like, you know, within a couple weeks, but we'll see how this goes. Um you know, there's also a high chance of this falling back down to about 8,000, so we don't know that. Only the future will tell. But if you guys didn't know, check out my YouTube channel. Go to the Crypto Lair and check discussions. I post a couple topics here throughout the day of what I think of my thoughts on the market. And this is probably the most easiest way, besides following me on Twitter at the Crypto Lair YT right here, to follow up to date stats and everything. But besides that, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like my video. Have a great one.